Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are making plantain chips for home usage and even commercial uses as well. You can snack on this anytime and any day. For moms out there, this is an easy snack recipe for you to try out for your kids to enjoy at home. If you're seeing this video for the first time, please do well to join this amazing community by subscribing and also watch and like this video to the end if you found it useful. First thing you want to do is to get your plantain properly washed and clean. Here my plantain is washed already, so you can choose to either use your unripe plantain or semi-ripe plantain, which is the one I'm using here. So you go ahead to peel off the skin. Next up, I'll go ahead to slice my plantain into small slimmer shapes, but if you have a slicer you can go ahead to use it same way I'm doing on this video. Once that is done, I'll go ahead to sprinkle in some chili pepper, some salt to balance in the taste, and some sugar if you are using the unripe plantain. Go ahead to mix it up and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, I'll heat up my oil on fire and I'll just go ahead to fry my chips. Please remember to fry on medium-high heat to avoid it getting burned. I'll fry until it's ready. Then pack it out and leave it to cool down before packing them into an airtight container. You can choose to sell this and enjoy with your family at home. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and follow for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.